Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something super important for all of us who use the internet every day, online security. Specifically, we are going to look at how to get set up with McAfee and protect your devices from viruses, malware, and all that nasty stuff that is out there. We will start by checking out McAfee.com and I will walk you through the activation process on McAfee.com. Alright, if you go to McAfee.com, this is where you will find everything McAfee has to offer. McAfee's trusted name in antivirus software, and they've got tons of options for protecting all your devices, a PC, Mac, phone, tablet, you name it. You can find products for individual use, family plans, and even specialized packages if you need more advanced security. Now, if you have already got a McAfee subscription, you are probably here to get it activated on your device. And that is where McAfee.activate comes in. And let me show you how easy it to get up and running. So as you see on the screen now, there are menus on the right top of the page. So these menus buttons are products, features, resources, about us, McAfee Smart Help, and support and region. You can also find your plan here, and if you can choose your types of activities online, and then you can choose one of them, and you can see also plans here. And yeah, there are, I think, I don't know how many plans here, and I can see only one, and the other ones is, I think, yeah, I think they cannot open. Yeah, here they are: McAfee Ultimate Individual, and McAfee Advanced Individual, and McAfee Premium Individual. So you can choose your plans, one of them. And so there you have it, folks, a quick and easy way to get McAfee set up to keep your device safe. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and I will see you in the next one. See you.